Og her har vi hende så, megastjernen med megasucces i filmen Bodyguard, og endnu større succes som en sangerinde, der vel bedst skal beskrives som en formidabel, vidtspændende sangstemme med et middelmådigt repertoire. Men i hvert fald en succes, der selv i USA slår alle rekorder i branchen. Men har berømmelsen ændret hende? Det spurgte Jarl Friis Mikkelsen hende om i nat.
No. The way I look at life is basically the same. Life really doesn't change, does it? It basically has a set
The surroundings
pattern.
do sometimes.
Well, yeah, sometimes they do, but that necessarily doesn't change you. You know, if your atmosphere changes, either you're going to become worse than you were before you had success. After you've had success, either you're going to become worse than you are, or you're going to stay basically the same person, the good person that you are, if you so happen to be that person. Now, I have known success to change people, and they become total monsters. But I have also known people who've had success, and they basically stay the same, and their concept on life also stays the same.
But the media sometimes distort facts.
Please, yes.
You
That's
would
their
know,
job.
You would know all about that.
That's their job.